Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How to Use Telegram for New Business. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, Telegram is an instant messaging service. Its biggest competitor or rival is WhatsApp. You're probably very aware of WhatsApp. It has 1.5 billion monthly active users. Telegram, by contrast, only has 200 million monthly active users. But the level of the first advantage of Telegram is the level of security on the platform is much higher. So your messages and your data is encrypted on Telegram in a way that is not encrypted on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is owned by Facebook, and Facebook share data between WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So your data is not as protected on WhatsApp as it is on Telegram. That's number one. Number two, you have the functions within Telegram to have secret chats and also send messages that disappear in a given amount of time. I suppose that's analogous to what happens on Snapchat. You do not have that functionality in WhatsApp. So those are two sort of technical advantages or areas you should look at if you're considering Telegram versus WhatsApp. Now, beyond that, there are some other advantages. For example, Telegram, you do not need to know, and this is why it's key for new business. Telegram, you do not need to know the person's phone number. So if you're trying to do new business on WhatsApp, you'd already have got to a stage, or you'd have to get to a stage, where you knew the contact or the lead's phone number, and you've entered it in WhatsApp, or you've met them or at a conference, and then you're following up, but you'd already need to know their phone number. With Telegram, you don't need to know their number, you just need to know their username. And often people will use the same username across social media platforms. So you may have come into contact with somebody who's a likely lead or prospect on Twitter or on Instagram, and you can see that they're using the same username, and then you can type that into Telegram, and if they're one of the progressive sort of 10 to 15% of people who have Telegram accounts, then their username will pop up, and straight away you can message them. No having to get through a gatekeeper, no having to sort of use something like hunter.io to work out what their email address is. You can just very simply send them a message. So that's why it has a tremendous advantage for new business activities or outreach. You can contact people quite simply just by using the app if they've got an account open on Telegram. So that's the major reason. What I'm going to do in a couple of minutes is show you what Telegram looks like on my screen, because I've got it downloaded on my phone. So I'll just show you some of the conversations. I'll show you a couple of the groups and how I've been using Telegram. I was initially introduced to Telegram by members of a community that were very active in cryptocurrency, so investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts, put it that way. And they said, yes, you should definitely be using Telegram, not WhatsApp. So I sort of joined the platform in, I think it was February or March 2018. So I've had some conversations on there, and I'll show you just a little bit of that in the video that I will insert in a few moments. Here, as promised, is phone screen cam for the Telegram app. So I've got a number of conversations. This is a large group that I joined for Apex. Apex is a social media platform powered by blockchain technology, so that you can see that I've joined a group there, and there's 13,000 members, going back to chats, some other people. So there's some notifications when people have joined, existing contacts of mine have joined Telegram, so you can see I've got those, and I'm having some conversations here. I'm going to click into this. This is a conversation I've had with a guy that also is running a social media platform powered by blockchain. So this is the Telegram app, and as I say, it's a very easy way. If I want to explore, let's go to search for contacts or potential contacts. So this is somebody that I know, but I don't have their phone number, as I mentioned in the other part of the video. I don't have their phone number, but I know this person, and I can now send them a message and can start some outreach just by them using the Telegram app and me having an account on there. This is a very direct method, and they'll get the message within a few seconds after I've sent it, and we'll have some interaction and engagement there. So you can search for other users if you're conducting your outreach on Telegram. Try and deduce what their username is likely to be, have a couple of guesses, and pop it in, and then send them a message. And it's very direct. It's quicker than sort of Sales Navigator, and if you're interested in Sales Navigator, there's a video that I'll link to in the cards. It's quicker than a lot of approaches being made, and it's very direct, and it will appeal to those people who are, let's say, progressive. As I said, there are some financial people and cryptocurrency enthusiasts who are active on Telegram, and it is spreading, but at the moment it's still relatively small scale compared to WhatsApp. But as I said, 200 million monthly active users is a considerable figure in itself. I hope you found this useful. What I'm trying to do on this channel is be imaginative and creative in terms of the way that we approach new business, the way that we use content marketing and social media to promote our businesses and to develop new leads and prospects. Using Telegram in this way directly answers to those objectives in terms of, here's something that most people aren't doing. It's an opportunity now. It won't be an opportunity forever, because as more and more people start to use Telegram and it becomes more mainstream, as I said, 200 million users compared to 1.5 billion users, it'll then be less of an opportunity. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. If you've liked it, give me a like. Please click on my face to subscribe and click on one of the screenshots to watch another video. Thanks. Bye-bye.